All welcome friends on my channel. In general, friends, in this video we have a review. By the way, this topic is shorter. For those who received airdrop from ZetaChain, friends, in general now on ZCH came a drop. Or if you have branded tokens on ZCH, you will fall under this hand, and friends. Same, so if you flew in Zeta, putting tokens, friends, take more here. I got 40 of these veOMNI is our friends' ecosystem DEX on the ZetaChain, and they too are now give tokens there. So friends, link in the attached comment. If the pass through the token stamp, then take more. Free drop from my friends. I think we can make some money here. The Discord confirmed that it was not scam. So friends, get pregnant due. Labels will need to have somewhere 50 to 60 cents in tokens or friends. That's why it's so important. Nuance if here to make a translation we still have. We shall be able read these. News snapshot was created 29 January. Amounts were calculated based on user data interaction. Means the test network DEX and Z lobs in. So friends, see, everything is connected. Users have the right to participate. Test network OMNDM scored more 10.000 points to all users who have the right of distribution for this can claim 400 Ionian tokens for